I'm also new to Bangalore. Okay. Already gone to buy go-karting and some ride by distance.
Enjoy potential.
So we are very lucky to get into the jeep.
There is a trail there. They could have walked there.
But these people don't know, right? RS will also come like a wrong poor people.
You could have come from that road. ಅಲ್ಲಿ outlet.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ trail ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಆ ಕಡೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
That's the house.
Okay.
You're nearer to the house now.
Enjoy, Macha, enjoy.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇದೆ ಕೂಡ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದು
Difficult it is to drive here. Driving is so difficult.
Experience matters.
You know that CD100 guy is not there. He would have driven this. He was saying, nah, car is different, tractor is different.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ನಿಯರರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ ಬಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅದು ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೈ ಬೈಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ 4 kilometers ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್